Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be talking about Module 3 in Big Data Analytics. See, in Module 3, we have the major topics that I can call as like one is business intelligence. In that, we will be studying about what is called business intelligence and what are the tools and what are the applications in business intelligence. And next to that, some few examples. I mean like some few case studies of business intelligence. And next to that, data mining, and followed by data warehousing, and the last one will be data visualization. So this is overview of module 3, and in this we shall be proceeding with the first topic, what is called business intelligence. I hope you know what is called BI. So BI is a term that is called as like a business intelligence. So this BI is a term, is a term which is related to business. So business is act of doing something productive to serve someone's need, and which we will be getting some profit, which we can earn, and which can and through which we will be satisfying some customer needs. I mean, like the ultimate goal is to provide a valuable product, or provide a valuable. It can be a product, or it can be like some other thing, valuable service, and making some profit from that. And making and providing some doing some innovative ideas. So this is what we call as like a business, and these business activities will be get recorded on a paper day by day, and that becomes and nowadays it becomes like using electronic media, and later these whatever that is being recorded data, that becomes, we call it as like a data. So from that data we will be extracting something. That is what intelligence, I mean like whatever the data that has become, which we are doing with this, that valuable data, that becomes intelligence. And for example, and the connectivity between that big data and this business intelligence, whatever that as we are discussing right now is, I hope you will be remembering the characteristics of big data. Like we are called the big data as 5 ways. So volume, variety, veracity, right? Let me repeat it: volume, volume, veracity, variety, velocity, and the last one is the value. I mean, like, what is the data that I have used from this, and what kind of analysis that I made from it, and how much my data is valuable. That is called like valuable data. So once I get that data from that huge data set, big data set, what is the intelligence I can make from that data? I mean, like, what is the pattern that I can generate from the data? What is the intelligence I can mine from my data? That is what will be reflecting on what how much the business is functioning, or how much the business is effective. That is what business intelligence. And here I need to relate one more thing to this. One is called this is called business intelligence, and one is called competitive intelligence. I mean, like, if I apply intelligence within my organization, how my organization is functioning, working, and how it is doing a operation, how it is doing effectively. Is it effective, or we are is that we require some more technology, some more methods to be get implemented to make my company to be effective. So these all things will be business intelligence. And if I look into outside of my organization, I mean, like, how my organization is competing with other organization, and in what position they are, in what position we are. That is what we call as like competitive intelligence. So this is the relation between the two things called business intelligence and competitive intelligence. And so as we're talking about, like, I will be from the data, I will be mining some kind of pattern, some kind of intelligence will be taken. So through that, I can decide I can decide what kind of thing can be done on my company, or what how it does can be going to be more effective. So that is what you are doing, right? And few of the companies in this cases, most of the few of the companies uses something called scorecard, and which through which they will be determining what kind of things, I mean, like, what they want to improve further. And this is also called as like key performance indices, or key result areas, through which we can decide, or we can know in which we are lacking, or through which in which we can improve ourselves to make our thing to be better in the market. And one example is like using of this kind of data mining things in sports is like Moneyball, and also like cricket. You can see, I mean, like the scorecard and the cricket screen, which will be getting automatically updated, and you can see the analytics of prediction also. What is the next? Next over how many runs to be get taken. So this is also one sort of area where this is being applied widely. And this business intelligence, and what is on how it is being related to IT, right? Next, that is the next thing. So business intelligence is a broad set of IT solutions, I mean, like which includes tools for gathering, analyzing, reporting, about the performance of the organization and its environment. For example, for if I develop a system, I mean, if I provide a small dashboard like in which you are accessing some online course. Let me take a small example like if you're accessing online course in NPTEL, Coursera, edX, or these kind of providers. Just wait a minute.